Nowadays, it is one of the fastest growing top projects of Apache Software Foundation. It is built on the top of Nginx and can be used to manage and route API requests to implement cross-cutting concerns, perform authentication and authorization, and also apply various types of traffic control. It is designed to be highly extensible and configurable, make it a good choice for use in microservice architectures. It supports popular API release strategies such as canary release, blue-green deployment, and out-of-the-box integrates with many open source projects and SaaS software as a service projects. Apache APISIX API Gateway is further extended with countless built-in plugins to handle other primary edge functionalities to meet your system requirements and concentrate. APISIX consists of a data plane to dynamically control the request traffic and a control plane to store and synchronize gateway data configuration, and a control plane to orchestrate the plugin, as well as the real-time analysis and processing of request traffic. Apache APISIX uses TCP for the configuration storage that supports the multi-instance deployment, and there is no single point of failure. APISIX has 3 different deployment modes for different production use cases. The first, traditional mode, data plane and control plane are deployed together and share a single APISIX instance. In the coupled mode, data plane and control plane are deployed independently with one instance of APISIX for each deployment. And the last one is standalone, the only data plane is deployed with a single instance of APISIX. The configurations are loaded from the local files such as YAML. Apache APISIX can be used as an API gateway and ingress controller. Apache APISIX API gateway serves as a central point for routing all incoming requests to their intended destinations and manages the traffic to your services. APISIX ingress controller is a Kubernetes ingress controller using Apache APISIX along with all built-in plugins and supports native Kubernetes ingress resources. You can also extend Apache APISIX as a service mesh sidecar. APISIX initially was written in Lua, but it also supports new custom plugin development in multiple programming languages and has officially supported languages such as Java, Go, Node.js, and Python. Apache APISIX is the first open source API gateway that includes a built-in local dashboard which offers a powerful, flexible UI for developers to use. Apache APISIX Admin API provides a RESTful interface for the administration and managing configuration for streams, routes, plugins, and consumers. All of the tasks you can perform against the API gateway can be done using easy configuration. With a plugin orchestration capability, you can easily orchestrate all existing plugins in a drag-and-drop way on the UI dashboard. It reduces development cost of the new API gateway plugin to almost zero. APISIX is perfect API gateway that's easy to configure and fast to deploy. Here is a general comparison of APISIX with other API gateway options. Compared with other API gateway providers, APISIX has no any dependence to external databases. It offers features like the dynamic routing and hot loading of plugins. Apache APISIX is fully open source API gateway solution. If you require to have more advanced API management features for your API, you can use API 7.5 or API 7 Cloud, which are powered by APISIX. API 7 Cloud is any cloud multi-location SaaS platform for deploying,